Numerous Ted's woodworking plans and projects review articles have been circling the internet nowadays as this particular ebook is getting more and more attention. Feedbacks about the product have mostly been good, sparking the curiosity of other woodworkers or those who are contemplating taking this hobby. For those who really want good information about this ebook by expert craftsman Ted Mcgrath, here's a comprehensive take of the product. So far, however, no problems have been reported regarding the product. All in all, it's safe to say that all Ted's woodworking plans and projects review articles being released today are telling the truth. Considering the many features of the product and the happy comments of buyers, the ebook really does deliver exactly what it promises. For more information about Ted Mcgrath and his product, click the link in the description below this video for details. A blog reader said, "I have bought Ted's woodworking for myself last week and found that I like it more each day." You have taken your time to gather all these great information and I truthfully thank you. Your article are extremely genuine, which unquestionably one of the best. I really like Ted's woodworking recommended by you. Thank you, man. I'm very much into woodworking as I like to build stuff myself. However, due to work and time constraints, I couldn't afford to do much of my own research. That's the reason I always look for books or guides that are easy to follow and offer the complete plan when I have a project in mind. So when I heard about Ted's woodworking with 16,000 plans, I was excited. I bought the package on the fly without really thinking much. It sounded awesome, and for the price it seemed to be a steal. After buying the book, I set out to go through the whole thing. Well, it indeed had thousands of plans within the package with detailed videos to boost. Click the link in the description below this video for details.